Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, it's so good to have you around. Thank you for stopping by. I love you guys so very much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to, and if you already subscribed to my channel, I love you all. Thank you so much. And I am Rox-T Styles. In today's video, I'll be showing you all on how I made the lace frontal with a leech hook, and you guys might be wondering on how I made this wig cap. I'll be leaving a link in the description box below so you can check that out, and also you can check it up here on how I made this wig cap. Okay, so all I'm doing it's this synthetic hair. You can also use a braiding hair for this if you want to, and this synthetic hair that I'm using, I just stretched it a bit, and yeah, I'm trying to detangle it. And you take this little at a time, and I'm having one short end and one long end, and I'm using this big leech hook for the back. So all I do is just to put the hook through the dome cap, and I take the hair little at a time. Yeah, and I hook the hair and I also pass it through the hair again. I think I'll be repeating this. I made a frontal during the lockdown, and I made use of this particular dome cap I'm holding in my hand, and I didn't like the way the video was looking. That was why I was not able to upload it. You guys can see that these two dome cap are different. If you're using this particular one I'm holding on my hand, you can see that it has armholes, the lace. You can penetrate the lace with your leech hook easily compared to the one I'm using. So I decided to use this particular one now because I want the back to look natural. That way I can pack it up. So I'll be repeating this step again for you guys to have a clear view of what I did at the back. So I'm just putting the hook through the lace, and you can take your hair a little quantity more than I, depending on how you want yours to look. And I'm just giving this a knot 2 times, that way it doesn't come off easily. Okay, so you can take your hair little at a time, that way it doesn't the knot can be well tied. And this is how the back is looking so far. And I also went ahead to cover up the black thread I have in between the lace and my dome cap. And I'll be showing you guys how I made this particular part. I made use of my small leech hook. Okay, and I take the hair little at a time, and this time around I'm not using the leech hook to give the knot. I'm using my own hands because the leech hook can pack this quantity out on its own. Okay, and as for the frontal, guys, I went ahead to do this part off camera, and I made sure while I'm ventilating I left a little spacing, that way the hair can look natural. Okay, so you can part it whichever way you want to, either center parting, side parting. it will also look natural. Okay, and I'll be showing you guys on how I made this shortly. You just stay tuned. Okay, and while I'm making this, you can see the curve I gave it in front. I don't know what to call this, but I made sure I gave it that little curve in front. So if you don't want that, you can just go ahead and do yours straight. You can also check my video up here on how to make wig for beginners with a latch hook. That way you can have a clear understanding of what I'm doing, because the same thing I did for the closure of that particular video, I did the same thing here. In case you don't understand or you're not having a clear view of what I am doing, okay, I just put the hook through the lace, pick the hair, pass it through the hook, and pick the hair also. Sorry, I put the hook through the lace. Okay, I pick 2 strands of hair and I pass it through the lace. I hook the hair and I pass it through the lace. This time around, I'm not giving it a double knot because this hair is a tiny hair, so I just give it a single knot. I don't know if that makes sense. You can also use a concealer as a guide to know where you can stop in front and how it's going to fit behind your ear. Okay, and you can stand in whatever position you want. You can start either from the back or to the front. Just make sure the hair goes back straight while you're doing all of this. Okay, and while I'm taking these 2 strands of hair at a time, I make sure I leave in a lot of spacing in front. You can also use 1 strand of hair to make it look natural in front. Like this particular part in front, you can see I was not able to leave in much space, but I'll still go back to it. Okay, and this is how far the hair is looking. Yeah. It's looking so beautiful. Okay, so do well to leave in enough space in front. That way it's going to look natural. Now just go ahead and make use of my hot iron to style this to my taste. Okay, and wow, the hair looks so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm so loving the way the hair looks. Thank you guys so very much for staying with me to the end of this video. Please do well to hit the like button, okay, and do well to subscribe to my channel if you are yet, guys. This is free, you are not going to be charged. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Just know I love you guys, okay? And please leave a comment in the section down below. Let me know what you think about this hair, guys. Like, I'm feeling so proud of myself now. Okay, guys, please stay well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.